want to fix TikTok high quality option not showing? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First of all, open the TikTok app. Now, whenever you try to post something, you want to tap on the more options. You should find the option of allow high quality uploads. If you find this, make sure to toggle this option on. Now, if you're not able to find this option, then to fix that, you want to head over to your profile, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now select settings and privacy. Then scroll down and find the option of report a problem. Tap on that. Now select creation. Then select posting videos. Now select other. Then tap on no. Now tap on need more help. This will now bring you to TikTok support. Here you want to contact an agent. Then you want to explain that your high quality option is missing. TikTok support will provide these steps to restore it. After following these steps, your video will upload in full quality again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.